Frenchies. Hey, what's up, everybody? Come on in, man. It's me, Donkey, your favorite. That's Shrek. Oh, look at that group hug. There's a nice hug. I like that hug. Oh, man. All right. Y'all, brothers, sisters, what's happening? Ah, and you're severely English, yes. Are you having a good time? Awesome. All right. Well, can you line it up from the smartest to the dumbest for me? Oh, she's like, yes, I will be the smartest. I like her. Did you get it? Did you get it? Did you take it? Did you get it? Is it over? Is it done? Did you get it? Are we good? Is it done? How about now? Did you get it? And cut. That'll be $49.95. You all did so good. It was nice to meet you. Bye, guys. See you later. Hey, maybe ever shut up. Hi, what's happening? Okay. Right here, right here.